Ever wondered why you snore? It's not just annoying, it's actually science. When you sleep, your throat muscles relax. If they relax too much, your airway gets narrow, so when air tries to pass through, it makes the soft tissues vibrate. And that vibration, that's snoring. Things like sleeping on your back, being tired, allergies, or even alcohol can make it worse. But if snoring is loud, constant, or you wake up tired, it could be a sign of sleep apnea. So if someone tells you that you snore, they're not judging you. Your throat is just throwing a midnight concert.